So about 2 years ago, we brought in some therapy dogs in the building 2-3 times during the year. So we started joking around the idea of having a dog here at Salesianum full time. And one day we were just sitting around and we brought up pictures of Golden Doodles that were puppies, and we saw Lou. And we fell in love with just his picture and went out for a visit. And he had the best demeanor you could possibly think of as a 6-week-old puppy, so we just ran with it from there. So he's my dog, and he spends, he comes home with me every day. So typically I'll get up around 5:45. He'll wake me up in the morning, jump on the side of the bed, let me know it's time. Then we'll usually get here about 7:30 in the morning, and usually the kids are sitting in the hallway before school, and that's his daily routine of going through all the kids and getting his morning greeting. He has pretty much full use of the building, so when I'm working, he'll go run around to classrooms. Most of the staff has treats in their offices, so he knows exactly who to go to get what he wants. And yeah, he'll go visit classrooms. I'll hear stories at the end of the day of like, oh yeah, Lou stopped by like to say hi. I'm like, oh, okay. Usually, you know, he'll be gone for about 20-30 minutes, and then he'll walk by my door to see if I'm still here. So he'll kind of peek in, and then he'll continue on his way. So he's got his routine down. All the studies point to the fact that petting a dog for just even a minute reduces the stress hormone of cortisol and increases or releases the feel-good hormone of serotonin. So just having that around and knowing that the kids who feel stressed can just come up to Lou and have their moment to get back on track. Since he's hypoallergenic, people with allergies don't really have a problem with him. And generally the response is overwhelmingly positive, especially for kids who don't have dogs. Like they love the fact that they consider like Lou theirs.